SunGemmers Suncatcher Diamond Painting Kits for Kids. Fun DIY activities, arts, and crafts for girls, age 10 to 12. Cool toys for girls. Makes an incredible gift idea for little girls and tweens. Comes with an attractive, ready-to-wrap box that you will be proud to give. Perfect for birthday and Christmas gifts for kids, stocking stuffers, Easter, or any occasion. Unleash your kids' creativity. Keep kids busy creating their dazzling window art. Suncatcher Kids Crafts with Purple Ladybug's new SunGemmers Gem Art Suncatcher Sticker Kits. Fun and easy to make for girls aged 6 and up. Complete the craft kit to create your own unique sparkly window. Art right away includes to pre-printed window designs, to color guides, over 1,000 SunGemmer gemstone sun-catching stickers, a double-sided mounting tape, plus full instructions.